We're getting into the summer season, and with more folks getting fully vaccinated, we're finally going to be able to hang out in larger groups again, which means good tunes are an absolute must. The good news is the folks over at Dreamwave have you covered with this awesome little speaker, and it won't break your bank. It will, however, fill up your backyard barbecues with just luscious tones. I'm talking about the Rockstar Mini. What's up, everybody? This is Scott. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Rockstar Mini from Dreamwave. The folks over at Dreamwave were kind enough to send over this one little unit for testing, and I have to say I was honestly pleasantly surprised at how great this little speaker was. I didn't know what to expect before getting it, only hearsay from folks like Digital Slang. But before we talk about how cool this little thing is, let's give a little more about the tech specs directly. The Rockstar Mini is an IPX5 portable, wicked durable Bluetooth sound system for enthusiasts and audiophiles alike. It delivers music to your ears in a surprisingly great way, and it only weighs 2.5 pounds. And now that 2.5 pounds comes with a super durable strap to carry this thing around. You can lug it around in a bag, you can just throw it in the back of a car, and you don't have to worry about water, snow, dust, sand, or chips from children, or any type of food snacky thing that kids may have in the back of vehicles because, again, of the IPX5 rating. Now, even though it's 2.2 pounds, it has a powerful 40-watt output that's teamed with a 7,800 milliamp hour battery, which provides 8 hours of battery life, or 5 full hours of battery life at full volume, full bass, which I have to say is impressive because this thing gets really, really loud. And I'm going to show you that here more in a little bit. This comes with Bluetooth 5.0, supports USB drive disc playing for easy pairing with any mobile device as well. Dreamwave says that you can connect 2 Rockstar Minis at once and to provide you a true wireless stereo hi-fi sound. But honestly, I only have one and I can't confirm what 2 sounds like because I only got one to test. It does come with a microphone that you can see here on the back, which means you can use this bad boy as a karaoke machine as well during those backyard barbecues that you're going to be having this year. From a connectivity perspective, and you're going to see this more in a little bit, once you power on this device, one press on the knob on the far right, which is the power knob, you press and hold until the Bluetooth button comes on, and you're going to hear this nice, cool little tone like doo-doo-doo type thing to actually connect to it. After that, you connect your mobile device of choice, stream your tunes, and move on. Now, I was wondering how far away you could go from the speaker, and the length of my backyard basically provided no issues at all. Over 60 plus feet and not a single drop. And again, you're going to see me back away from the speaker so you can hear what it sounds like from further away. And I had my phone in my back pocket and it was still Bluetooth connected to the speaker that far away. This is a speaker after all, so how does it sound? Look, this thing has no business for being this loud as small as it is. It's shockingly loud, but it doesn't muddy up any of the tones at all. See, I listened to a variety of music and I had no trouble at all any of the music that I was choosing from, and I found it overall pretty pleasant to listen to while I was relaxing in the backyard with the kids. The mid-tones were nice and punchy on many of my preferred songs, and plenty of bass poured out as well. There's an enhanced bass boost, but honestly, I didn't use it because I pretty much kept it off to get the max battery life, mostly because I just felt the bass was fine. The highs came in nice and crisp as well, not the overpowering or tingy type thing in pretty much any instance at all, and you're going to hear about that in a second from an actual sound test. Now, I've teased it a few times already, and this is not going to be a perfect science at all, but here are a few examples of me being in the backyard. I am using an iPhone 12 Pro with the Deity D4 Duo microphone pointed directly at the speaker so you can hear what it sounds like from the outside. Honestly, this is the perfect little speaker for nearly every single family. Perfect for cookouts, tailgates, birthday parties, camping trips, but not on golf courses. Never on golf courses. Speakers on golf courses are a sin and they do not belong. Don't be that person. The speaker's not going to break your bank either. It's $149 at the time of this recording. Honestly, I would pick this over some of the more popular brands like Bose or JBL because this thing is that good. If you want to buy your own, the links in the description are below for this awesome little speaker. Let me know in the comments if you plan on picking one up or if you have one already. Well, that's it. That's all I have. As always, like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time.